Assalamualaikum and hi. We are from Group 12 and this is our presentation in subject Industry Engineering. So this in this project we study about cleaning sector for our case study. The cleaning sector is essential for maintaining clean and safe environment. However, often to face ergonomic issues while using mop and lifting heavy water bucket. This study focused on redesigning two key components, which is adjustable mop handle to suit user height and a water bucket with an extendable handle and wheels, allowing it to be pulled like a trolley. The new design aims to reduce physical strain, improve work comfort, and minimize injury risk. In conclusion, this improvement can enhance both efficiency and safety in the cleaning sector.
Okay, kita sambung Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Adib Haris bin Azhar. Many cleaning tools AA 231009. Jadi hari ini saya akan mulakan video pembentangan saya dengan introduction. The lower back. Heavy and untuk background information, janitorial staff rely on tools like mop, vacuum cleaner and cleaning trolley. Cleaning work is physically demanding and mop sekarang mengutamakan bending, lifting and pushing can lead to strain, discomfort and comfort bagi musculoskeletal disorder. Mop yang tidak boleh dilaraskan. Pembersih ni dia akan menggunakan alat seperti mop, vacuum and alat-alat selalu membongkok cleaner untuk mengemuk. Alat-alat pembersih. Contohnya walaupun kita nampak yang terlalu besar dan membuat kerja ni dengan senang, pengguna tapi hakikatnya mereka membuat kerja ni secara berulang. So dia orang akan di tempat membuat aktiviti seperti membongkok, mengangkat dan menolak. So akibatnya penggunaan alatan penat dan alatan membersih tu secara berulang so meningkat. Jadi dia akan penting untuk kita reka semula bentuk memberi impact kepada badan, dia tekanan kepada badan lebih mesra dan lebih selamat bagi sakit belakang, lengah sendi dan kita sambung masalah otot iaitu musculoskeletal disorder. Many cleaning tools so kita boleh nampak kat sini alat yang diperbuat fixed length seperti mop dia hanya mementingkan fungsi, tidak mementingkan keselesaan kepada pengguna. Vacuum hard to.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Adam Fahmi Muhammad Zaini and today I'm going to talk about the objective. So we have 4 objectives that we're going to talk about, which is the first one is identify ergonomic challenges faced by cleaning workers. The second one is perform ergonomic assessment using rebar and ruler tools. The third one is propose improved designs that enhance comfort and reduce physical strain. And the last one is support proposal with ergonomic principles and anthropometric data.
Yes, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hikram Hakimi bin Muhammad Fisur, Normetric AA230350. Okay, I will explain this part. Success is methodology. The methodology have 3 parts: ergonomic analysis, purpose ergonomic improvement, and literature review. First, I have explained about ergonomic analysis. The ergonomic analysis is ergonomic risk in a cleaning task where assessed using observation, worker interview, and the rebar method. Key issues include the poor posture, repetitive movement, and physical discomfort. Rebar scores show mopping as high risk 7, vacuum medium high 6, and trash handling moderate 5, confirming the need for ergonomic improvement. And the second is the proposed ergonomic improvement. Based on assessment and literature review, several solutions were proposed to reduce strain and improvement safety. These include adjustable tools for better posture, lightweight vacuum cleaners, semi-automatic mopping system, test rotation, and ergonomic training. All recommendations were chosen for their practically cost-effective and for worker feedback. Okay, for the last part is methodology in literature review. Okay, I will explain the literature review that I have research. If previous research show that janitorial worker often face high physical strain due to repetitive movement, awkward posture, and heavy equipment. According to Kumar 2006, cleaning work is a significant risk factor for musculoskeletal disorder, especially in the back and shoulder. Other studies like a Bell and Steele 2011 found that tasks such as vacuuming require sustained bending and lifting, leading to discomfort and injuries over time. Research also highlight that poor tool design and lack ergonomic consideration worsen than risk dualist LL 2024. Workers report pain mostly in the shoulder. It is 71.6%, neck 35.8%, and wrist 34.3%, which can limit their daily activities. The Rapid Upper Limb Assessment RULA and Rapid Entire Body Assessment REBA tool have been commonly used in this study to identify ergonomic risks and recommend solutions. In a summary, literature strongly support the need for better ergonomical design cleaning tool to reduce injury rates and improve safety and productivity in cleaning industry.
This is our design that we have invented. We take from the old design and we make an improvement from it. Just from the old design, doesn't have any tires or any handle for the users to give the users a better maneuver of the bucket. So in our design, we put a retractable handle that can be unplugged for easier storage. Other than that, it also give the user a better maneuver for the bucket and also make them less back pain. Other than that, we added a rubber wheel, which is make the user easier to just push the bucket instead of picking it up. And the last one is we use a stainless steel body, which is give it a better, higher lifespan and longevity of the bucket.
Jadi kita sambung untuk discussion. Untuk yang pertama ialah ergonomic assessment, REBA and RULA. High risk posture, repetitive movement and physical strain. Untuk yang kedua, cleaning tool often prioritize function over comfort. Yang ketiga ialah poor ergonomic contribute to discomfort, decrease productivity and long-term musculoskeletal issue. Jadi kita sambung untuk purpose ergonomic improvement. Untuk yang first, allow user to set the mop handle head according to their own body dimension. Maksudnya pemegang mop tu kita boleh laraskan mengikut keselesaan masing-masing, mengikut ketinggian masing-masing. So dengan cara itu pengguna akan kurang membongkok. So dia punya impact kepada badan ialah reduce the need for excessive bending, minimize strain on the lower back and shoulder, improve user comfort and work efficiency. Maksudnya dengan cara kita ubah adjustable pemegang mop tu, dia dapat kurangkan keperluan membongkok secara berlebihan, kurangkan tekanan pada bahagian belakang dan bahu dan tingkatkan keselesaan dan kecekapan kerja. Okey, yang seterusnya ialah impact accessibility. First ialah improve comfort, reduce awkward bending posture, less strain on the back, shoulder and arm. Jadinya kita akan menambah baik untuk keselesaan pengguna. Jadinya kita akan kurangkan keperluan membongkok dan kita akan kurangkan tekanan pada belakang, bahu dan lengan. Yang kedua ialah increase productivity. Users experience less fatigue, able to clean more efficiently over longer period. Jadinya bila kita dapat memberi keselesaan kepada pengguna, diorang boleh bekerja lebih lama dan lebih cekap dan akan kurangkan keletihan pada pengguna. Yang ketiga ialah lower risk of injury, decrease chances of developing musculoskeletal disorder, especially beneficial for tasks involving repetitive motion. Jadinya kita dapat kurangkan risiko kecederaan. Kita boleh kurangkan risiko masalah sendi dan otot iaitu musculoskeletal disorder dan sesuai untuk tugasan harian yang berulang seperti pembersihan. Yang keempat ialah high flexibility and cost effective. Telescopic and adjustable mop handle already exist in the market, require no major change to current cleaning routine. Maksudnya mop ni adalah cost effective. Pemegang mop yang boleh laras ni dah banyak dekat market. Jadinya so nak dapat je senang, jadinya kos tambahan yang rendah untuk mendapatkan mop adjustable ini.
Okay, for the conclusion, the project successfully identified key ergonomic issues faced by cleaning staff, particularly relate to use the traditional mop and water bucket system through ergonomic assessment using ribber and ruler. High risk movement and posture we observe, especially during lifting and repetitive tasks. The redesigned mop with an adjustable handle and wheel, water bucket with a retractable handle address this concern effectively. This improvement help reduce physical strain, improve user comfort, and enhance work efficiency. Overall, the project demonstrates how applying ergonomic principle and anthropometric data can lead to practical solutions that benefit both worker and productivity in the cleaning sector. Thank you.
And that's all from us. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum.